the grace of iridescence and the sudden fire of the tail. A body painted so by life's intelligence. The kind of attention a lovelorn heart could envy in half a heartbeat. You perch on branches and rocks and patches of snow, and when you fly away, comet-like, celestial, a revelation reverberates in the air. With your touch, every patch of snow learns colors. Every tree, every piece of stone, a temple. We tread on to reach Chandrashila, never being able to grasp the nuances you wear. So many more things exist to humble us than the Himalaya in the Himalaya. Even our delusions are imitations. A crown, for instance, symbol of supremacy, only pitifully meek before that of this ave. With its black and orange wings, its armor, this monarch, so free and light, goes on erasing our borders in flight. Even when not singing, the songs in its throat trickle down its neck. Melodies meant for seeing. Something about the Water-Redstart, living close to speedy streams and arms of the sea. Skittery on mute boulders slows you down. Before a stream's gurgle, this winged reality wearing blue, its rusty red tail, a comet leaving behind a blazing trail, is more magnanimous than the illusion of the sky.